everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. So today is about my favorites and the ones I hate for the month of May. These are all my empties and let's begin. So the first product here is by Biotique. This is the Advanced Fairness face wash. So I used to use the smaller tub of this face wash and it was amazing. I used to love it, so I picked up the big one. So this doesn't make you fair, but it brightens your skin up, you feel refreshed and stuff like that. But the big bottle, I don't know what's wrong, but I think they've changed the formulation, because I had another bottle of the neem one that also felt the same way. They felt very soapy, so I am no more going to buy this. Also their creams, no more going to buy anything in a big pack of Biotique. I don't know, makes me feel that it's a different packaging altogether. It feels something is really wrong, and maybe they've changed the formulation. It could be something like that, but I don't like it anymore. Not buying this, so this is a complete no. The next product is by Simple, and this is the Kind to Skin Sensitive Skin Experts Hydrating Light Moisturizer. So this is how it looks, and I love this product. This one can be used by anyone. It goes a long way. This is so light and it is beautiful. This product is so good. This is always out of stock on Nykaa, so you'll have to either Amazon or ask some relative abroad to get you these products. This is amazing, beautiful. This is a very beautiful product. Third product on my list is the L'Oreal Arginine Resist. So the shampoo, and I actually like this one. I'm not going to say this is a 5 out of 5 from me, because your hair does not remain smooth, but this does do what it says. It mentions that it helps in reduce hair fall. My hair completely is not the type which has a lot of hair fall, but I've recently had some hair fall, and after I used this, it has been controlled. So this one's very good. I like it. So if you guys have hair fall, you can surely give this a try. Nothing great about it, but if you really need your hair to stop falling or reduction of hair fall, this is great. But it sort of dries the ends of your hair. I don't know, I just felt like that. So yes, from me, I'll give this a 3.5 out of 5. So the next one is my cult favorite, and I think by now you guys already know I'm going to talk about Bath & Body Works. This one's the Hot Cocoa and Cream Shower Gel. So completely empty. If you're watching me since the time I've started YouTube, you know every video has something to say. I have something to say about Bath & Body Works. I just love this product. It never fails me. I just love it, and go give it a shot, guys. The next product is from the Innisfree. This is the Jeju Pomegranate Revitalizing Essence. So I just had this and I tried it out, and it's amazing. I really did. So freshening. It's like, splash of pomegranate on your face. It really is nice. I'm surely gonna buy this soon and start using more of this. This one's really good. Give this a shot, guys. It's amazing. And the next one is the Seri Experts by Pro Keratin L'Oreal. This one is good. This is a nice conditioner. I love it. I've used the other one as well, and then it's this one. It's amazing. I love it. So these are my hit it, miss it, love it, hate it for the month of May. So I hope you guys like my video. Do share, subscribe, comment, and show me some love.